Good morning! In Lifestyles, good morning kami palagi because morning symbolizes new hope, new beginning. Okay, so I'm Eva Aradillo, CPA ako by profession, but full-time ko ginawa ang Lifestyles business for more than 20 years now. Okay, so introduce ko yung company natin, our company profile. So, Lifestyles ang company namin. It's an international corporation. So, meaning we're not just operating here in the Philippines, but in many parts of the world. So, we follow the international quality and safety standards. So, ano pa? Founded in 1989. So, matagal na in Toronto, Canada. So, proud kami na galing Canada because Canada is known for its world-class quality. Okay, so present kami in more than 30 countries. Yes, worldwide tayo. We're also present in the US, many countries in Asia and Europe, and many more. Okay, so all products are manufactured by, so sila talaga yung nag-manufacture, yung Lifestyles in Canada. So, proud kami again dahil Lifestyles talaga ang manufacturer. Made in Canada ang mga products natin. So no repacking, rebottling in the Philippines or any other parts of the world. That's why ang dali ibenta. Meron ngang times nga mga customers hindi na sila nagpa-explain. Bili ka agad pag alam nila na made in Canada because they know how safe and quality ang products pag galing doon. Okay, so more than 30 years of proven success. So meron kaming strong and proven track record and getting stronger. And proud member kami sa Direct Selling Association kasi DSA is an official organization of legitimate direct selling companies and member tayo kasi we are a legitimate company. Okay? So yun. Next is problem. Ano ba yung mga problem natin ngayon? Why do we get sick? Ito yung problem natin. We often get sick because of modern lifestyle natin, which are related to, number one, unhealthy eating habits. No? Palagi tayong nagmamadali. So we skip breakfast na and no time to cook din. So we're relying for fast foods, canned goods, and processed foods. No? Sabi nga ng mga health professionals, dapat home-cooked food kasi it is the healthiest food. Okay, ano pa? Lack of exercise. So, ito yan, dahil sa busy schedules natin, no more time for exercise. And also, dahil sa mga elevators na, mga cars, online shopping. So, we're not moving our bodies anymore. So, ano pa? Stress. Ito, no? Majority of doctors' admittance are stress-related. No? Like financial stress, work stress, family stress. No? Sabi nga nila, ang Tagalog ng stress, walang pera. Okay, tama ba yan? Yes. Environmental pollution. No? So this is not just about dirty air, but this can include water pollution, food pollution, and noise pollution. So we call them body pollution. Okay, so yun ang problem natin ngayon. And it's clear that our bodies need help. And we are here to offer solution. Okay, so ito yung solution since modern diet and today's lifestyle are not conducive to optimal health. Nutritional supplements can help us achieve and maintain optimal health. So ito yung solution natin. Our company produces a full line of natural source talaga, premium talaga, premium quality products to help today's challenge. Tapos meron pang 30-day money-back guarantee. So company natin, so sure that our products work and to show our confidence, we offer money-back guarantee. So this is guaranteeing the satisfaction of our customers. It means it's risk-free for you kung mag-try ka. Kasi if you're not happy with the products, return it back to us lang. And we will give you your money back. So that's how confident we are with our products. But sure ako, if matry mo to, mag-reorder ka. Kasi mas gaganda ka talaga. Yes. So, ano ba yung mga products namin? Ito yan, Intra. Ito yung flagship product namin. Ito yung pinaka-saleable namin. Lahat naman saleable, but ito talaga pinaka. No? Kasi it's unique formulation of 23 herbs. So 23 yung herbs niya and manufactured by Lifestyles only. So unique sila lang yung may Intra, yung Lifestyle. So safe for all ages. Even babies and pregnant women can take it and taken by millions already. No, in more than 30 countries. So masarap siya, para siyang iced tea. No, gusto ng mga bata, no overdosage. No, so maraming nagtatanong talaga, ano ba talagang function ni Intra? Number one, detoxifier. So, it's a detox product. Detox na mga body pollution natin, no? Para ma-cleanse. Kasi yung fish na kinain natin, possible yan. Maraming formalin yan. Yung fruits and vegetables natin, may mga pesticides and herbicides. Tapos yung chlorine, may tubig, di ba? So yan, mga body pollution yan. And if bayaan natin, it may lead to disease and aging. Kaya kailangan talaga natin i-detox. And Intra can help you do that. Ano pa? Supports healthy cardiovascular system. So this supports a healthy heart. Kasi importante yan, number one killer disease ngayon is heart-related, no? So hindi pa kasama yung mga heartbroken, no? Tapos ano pa, digestive aids. So yan, if merong input, dapat meron din output. Otherwise, it can lead to bloating and make your tummy look bigger and your face looks puffy, no? Ayoko niyan. No, ano pa, energy booster. No, na-experience mo na ba na kahit sapat yung tulog mo or 8 hours yung tulog mo, pero pagod pa rin the following day? Yan, kailangan mo ng Intra kasi si Intra is energy booster. Ito, balances hormones, no? Many people here na may PCOS, thyroid disorders, menopausal, dysmenorrhea, hindi nagkaanak, nag-benefit talaga sila sa Intra. Supports nervous and skeletal system. Para to sa mga tao na may arthritis, slip disc, scoliosis, osteoporosis, epilepsy, stroke, Intra can help. Ito paborito ko, antioxidants. No? Gusto ko ito kasi yun nga, no, it fight free radicals, yung antioxidants. Kasi yung free radicals, ituloy yung free na ayaw ko. Bakit? Kasi free radicals ang nagpa-speed up ng aging natin, no? Kaya may makita ka na merong 30s but they look 50s, no? Meron ding mga 50s but they look 30s. Saan ka kaya doon? So meaning, how we look, hindi lang sa age pala, no? May ibang factors din tulad ng free radicals. And with antioxidants, it fight free radicals. Ano pa? Immune supporters, no? So dahil dahil dami nang nag-claim na nawala yung mga sakit nila with Intra. Kaya akala nila gamot ang Intra. But actually, hindi naman si Intra ang nagpagaling, but the immune system na naging healthy with Intra. Kasi Intra is, classification niya, food lang talaga. High quality food na hiyang sa immune system natin. We need it badly na kasi it's hard to get proper diet from our ordinary diet, no? Kasi dami ng mga masasarap na pagkain like mga burgers, mga fast foods, di ba? And napaka-importante yung immune system natin. The doctors describe it as our first and last line of defense against aging and diseases. No? So let's take care of our immune system, nourish them, and it will take care of us as well. Because there's no better doctor for our body than our immune system. Okay? So ito, only Intra supports the 8 biological system. No? Napaka-importante. Ito talagang pinaka-wow factor. Kasi yun nga, na-address na tanan, na lahat, no? Bisaya kasi, no? Lahat na na-address na ni Intra yung biological system. And proud kami to show this to you kasi this is according to PubMed, an independent study. PubMed is parang malaking online library about health and medical research studies. Gamit din ng mga medical professionals. Okay, so Intra, yun, targeting our 8 body system. Kaya ang Intra, hindi siya hiyang-hiyang lang kasi targeted na lahat. Ang hindi lang nahiyang, yung hindi lang uminom. Yeah. So, kaya napaka-confident ang company to give money back guarantee. And sabi ng mga experts din, ito, importante din to, sabi, ang immunity boosting natin, hindi siya basta-basta lang, no? Dapat talaga nakabalance yan, no? Kasi too much of everything is not good. Like, kung too much vitamin C, hindi maganda yan kasi it can cause kidney stone. And that is good about Intra because the 23 herbs has synergistic and well-balanced results. So, economical siya kasi it has addressed already our cardiovascular, your nervous natin, skeletal natin, and all our 8 body systems. So it's like buying 8 products in one product. Ang galing. Okay, Nutria Plus na tayo, second product natin. Beauty pill namin. Yes, no? Mga distributors, nakita ko, gumaganda talaga sila. So, na-inspire din ako uminom ng marami. Yes, no? So, ano pang function in Nutria? Is nourishing our cells, no? So it's cellular nutrition. Kasi body natin made up of cells like hair cells, skin cells, heart cells, no? And as we age, nag-deteriorate na yung mga healthy cells natin. And dadami yung mga abnormal cells like aging cells, cancer cells. But with Nutria Plus, it helps create an environment where healthy cell renewal and repair can happen. Kaya it helps na sa pag-glow, paging healthy, paging radiant, and paging clear ng skin natin. So in other words, marami siyang anti-aging activities. Gusto ko talaga to kasi booster ng anti-aging sa intra. Okay, so ano pa ang benefit ni Nutria Plus? Tissue repair and reduce inflammation din. No? Inflammation kasi is the beginning of a serious illness. So like heart inflammation, liver inflammation. So before it becomes a serious illness, i-prevent na natin ang mga inflammations. And Nutria Plus can help you do that. Okay? So ano pa? Ano yung natin? Third product natin, Fiber Life. No? Gusto ko rin to. Paborito ko rin to. Fiber Life, fiber naman ito. And it's a soluble fiber. No? So meaning, with water, it forms like a gel substance. So tawag ng mga nutritionist dito, a miracle nutrient. No? Miracle nutrient. Bakit? Kasi it slows down the absorption of sugar galing sa pagkain natin. And kasi pag walang fiber, all the sugars will enter the body sabay-sabay all at once. So merong traffic congestion. So pag may traffic congestion, naging erratic yung blood sugars natin. May up and down, up and down, up and down. That can lead to diabetes and weight gain. So, Fiber Life, ano din to? It works like a sponge. Yes, sponge. Na nag-absorb ng mga fats and cholesterol that can cause heart disease. Okay, so napaka-importante ng Fiber Life. Tama yan. Miracle nutrient talaga to. So, before eating anything, no, yan ginawa ko, you take Fiber Life. Okay. So, ano pa? So, last product namin is Cardio Life. Yan. Main function naman ng Cardio Life is, supporting a healthy blood flow. No, ang dami palang benefits basta healthy ang blood flow mo. First benefit, healthy heart. Bakit? Kasi with healthy blood flow, hindi na masyadong na-overwork yung pag-pump ng blood. No? So, with healthy blood flow, it can prevent heart attack. No, second benefit, stronger bones, kasi with healthy blood flow, yung mga calcium na nasa arteries, binabalik natin sa bones to prevent osteoporosis. No, mga cholesterol plaques, blockages, tinatanggal din. That prevents the risk of clots and stroke. Okay? Tapos third benefit niya, healthy brain. Kasi with healthy blood flow, mas na-deliver yung nutrients at oxygen sa brain natin. Kaya nag-prevent ng Alzheimer. And not only that, kasi with healthy distribution of oxygen and nutrients, it gives your skin healthier, brighter, smoother. Yes, gusto ko naman to. No? Basta pampaganda, gusto natin yan. No? Okay, so Better Together Kit. No? So, lahat ng products nilagay sa isang kit. No, ang tawag namin dito, Premium Detox Program. So, 3 months detox program. Kasi first month cleansing, second month nourishing, third month strengthening of the body systems. No, ang maganda sa BT Kit, dahil may prevention package ka sa mga top killer diseases ngayon. Kasi, di ba sinabi ko, heart disease, yun ang number 1 killer disease talaga yan. No? Then followed by diabetes, weight problem, and cancer. And ito yung premium detox, no? Naka-prevent talaga dyan. Because it's providing us of over 250, imagine, health building properties. No, bakit ang dami? Bakit 250? Because of the synergy of the 4 products natin. Kasi napaka-complex kasi ng katawan natin, di ba? Kaya it needs many things to maintain good health, no? But with BT Kit, para kang may wellness center sa bahay mo. Di ba? Ang galing, no? Kasi maraming nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fibers, antioxidants that support your overall health. And of course, the best time to take it is, of course, when you are healthy, because prevention is better than prescription. Okay, so product quality natin, premium quality talaga to, natural source, manufactured under the world's most stringent or strictest quality controls